This is how to add images and products to the gallery of GN Designer Jewelers website. First thing, you log in by going to GN Designer Jewelers website /WP admin. It takes you to the login interface that you can put here the username and the password we provided it to you. Then you log in. Alright. Now, if you see, as you see on the left hand side, there's something called Layer Slider WP. Click on it. Go to adding new. Adding new means adding new gallery, but that will be a little bit hard. So let's modify an existing gallery. First, we go to one of our already created galleries. Now, over here, as you see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sliders. Now, there's every slider has the image and the text. It's very easy to add a new slide. It's just by clicking Add a New Slide. Now, here you click select. You click and set to set. Then you go and choose the picture of the ring you want to put. It should be JPG, PNG, or GIF. Anything else, the layer slider plugin wouldn't accept it. Now, you choose a picture that has size. The width and the height of the picture should be like this. 940 within 599, because anything more that will create a breaking to the image. Anything less, that will make the picture much less resolution than it is. Now, after you select an image, let's select any image for the current ones. For example, this one, and click Insert. And under Insert, there is something called HTML Video Audio. Here you put the text about the gallery, about the text about the product you want to put. Basically, you can just go to any of the current sliders and copy the text, and go back and put it back here. Now, as you see, this is the product number, and here the product information. What we need you to do is add a product number always between these two codes, because we want to guarantee that the product will be activated while people clicking on the inquire now button. So it copies it copies the product name and put it in the inquire now contact form. After that, you put the text that you want to put, and here you find the text, you drag it, put it in the middle. You can go to styles, put the style of the product white, the size of the font, usually 16 is the perfect size, as you see. Now, you can choose now either link it or do anything with it. Everything is very simple. Just copy the code and put it here, and then style it the way you want, and that's it. One more thing is, for example, this is slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 7, they put ID number 6. Number 8, they put ID number 7. So every time you create a product, just change the ID, like the same for the slide name -1. So, for example, slide number 1 will be ID 0. this one will be ID1, ID2, ID3. Now after you finish all of that, you save the changes. Go back to the home page. Now let's see what slider we changed. Earrings copy. As you see, the earring we just added didn't show up because this slider is not online. We just created it to do an example for you. If you want to see something online, you can go to any of the other sliders. For example, earrings, not earrings, copy. You create a new slide. Click here. Choose the slide image. Put a text. This one ID 7. Then save changes. First, we change the style of the text to be white, size 16, and save changes. That's it. There it is. This is the picture we just added. Now let's see how to delete a picture or a product. It's just by clicking on the X sign here. Click OK, and that's it. Save the changes, and the gallery is finished. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.